Good morning, everybody. My name is Craig Hoffman. I'm the seminar presenter for Cunning Dental, about ready to start a seminar here in Montclair. Why don't you consider joining us for our next seminar down at Laguna Woods at the Ayers Hotel, July 28th. Again, Ayers Hotel, Laguna Woods, July 28th. And come and see why a new smile will work versus that hide a smile that maybe you've perfected right now. I have Doreen with me here for this little interview. And Doreen, just a quick question. It's summertime. Can you tell us, obviously you're post-operation, that's why your smile looks shining here. Can you tell us about the summer foods that you're enjoying? Barbecue, for instance.
You know, I've said it many times during my testimonial, but it is just the best to have beautiful teeth. But to me, what's important is that I can enjoy those barbecues and the ribs and the steak, foods that I couldn't have eaten. And that's what's going to happen when we talk in Laguna on the 28th. I know there are some people that are my age and maybe even a little bit older, and it's never too late to have a beautiful smile, food you can eat, look like for your grandkids. You don't have to be embarrassed, which I was. You can go out to eat. So people my age and older, I highly suggest it to everyone.
Excellent. So between the menu options that are going to be improved after this surgery and the grandkids that are going to want to come and visit longer because grandpa and grandma aren't nursing the teeth condition, this operation is so worth it.
Absolutely.
Teeth in a day. Thank you so much, Doreen. Folks, join us again July 28th, Ayers Hotel, Laguna Woods, and come and see the solution for that current problem you're dealing with. Thank you.
Welcome back. We just saw a quick testimonial about Cunning Dental Group, and I have Hanaro here, who's with Cunning Dental Group, to tell us a little bit about them and also an event that they have coming up. Well, welcome, Hanaro.
Hi, Lisa. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. So tell me a little bit about Cunning Dental Group.
So Cunning Dental Group is celebrating their 50th year doing cosmetic dentistry in Montclair. They recently opened up an office in Irvine that's 5 to 10 minutes away. And so they just have a lot of experience, over 15 dentists and specialists in the practice. So they're just experts at their field of dentistry.
Now, I know we have a picture, so let's take a look at that picture and then tell me, I know you have a specialty.
Yes, so we specialize in the permanent teeth in one day procedure, also known as all-on-4 dental implants. And we have the best implants in the industry by Noble BioCare. And I know with our experience that we have over 50 years with this amazing procedure to give patients fixed, new, beautiful teeth, it's a wonderful procedure for patients that have dental issues that they want to fix their teeth.
Right. Okay. And so the seminar that you're having right next door at the Ayers Hotel, tell me about the event.
Sure. The seminar is going to be on Saturday, July 28th. Registration starts at 11:30. It's right next door at the Ayers Hotel here in Laguna Woods. And it's just a fun educational event. We're going to welcome everybody to come attend. Please register with the phone number that you see on the screen. We'll have food. We'll have a doctor or two there to answer questions. And come check it out. Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, do they have to register or can they just walk in?
It's preferred that they call in ahead of time.
Okay.
So space is limited, so we want to make sure that we get them registered and hold a seat. So please, if they can register, would be great.
Okay, and you mentioned that there'll be doctors there as well.
Yes, we usually have 1 or 2 doctors that attend, and these are the doctors that are doing these procedures. Dr. Javed here in Irvine will be there, and he will answer questions direct from the doctors, yes.
All right, well, perfect. Well, thank you so much for the information. I'm sure it'll be a big success.
Yep, well, thank you so much for having me.
All right.
Okay.
And don't forget to call that number that we showed you so you can register ahead of time, and that's this Saturday, July 28th. We'll be right back after this.